What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with a drink review taste test video. McDonald's has recently come out with a milkshake celebrating Grimace's birthday, and I got Grimace's birthday milkshake, all nice and purplish, and it looks oh so delicious. This is their large size. This is $4.09. Look at it. All right, let's give it a try. Yeah. Ooh, that's what does that taste like? You definitely taste the vanilla, but there's something else there. Maybe like a grapiness to it. Maybe like a grape vanilla. But you definitely taste that vanilla ice cream. The other flavor in there is not very strong. It's good. It's very sweet. Definitely good. I haven't had a milkshake in forever. I gotta say that is definitely tasty. Yeah, I think a little bit of a grape, but I'm not 100% sure. It's you taste the vanilla ice cream that they made this out of more than anything. It's really good though. Well, this is what Grimace likes. She has good taste. I definitely do like this. And looking at having a cool Grimace birthday cup. Yeah. Trying to think. Yeah. Some sort of berry taste in it. But I think grape, but I'm not 100% sure. Either way, it's good, it's delicious, and I'm glad I got it. I have no idea how long they're going to have this, but I'm sure it's going to be a limited time opportunity. So if you want to get one, I say get one now. Now, if you haven't watched this video like 2 years from now, I very much doubt you're going to be able to find it, just to let you know. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. All right.